Okay, now do it. Oh, Maggie! She sounds like an old man with a breathing problem.
The old man at the singing, the old singing man. He's on her belly. She's like, I can't breathe. Oh, I'm just gonna get dog hair all over your bed because I want to, because I'm cool like that.